What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiffany, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing some individual lashes tutorials. So yeah, the lashes that I usually use are the Kiss Knot Free individual lash, and they come in short, medium, and long. I got the long, ultra black long, for the sake of, since I cut my hair, I want to just make sure my eyelashes are, extended. And the glue that I use is the Ardell glue, the black. It comes in clear as well. But right now I'm just showing y'all, I put the glue on the back of the little clear plastic top that come with the lashes. And I also pick the lashes off and put them on there too. That's like just easier instead of picking them one by one. They'll already be ready to, be dipped and put on your lash. So right now I'm just picking them off and putting them on the plastic. And I do want to apologize in advance to my baby if y'all hear him crying or moaning or whining or anything, because he is potty training and we're sitting on a pot all day long. So right here, so I'm just showing y'all how I put the glue on my lash. I hold it upside down and basically like scoop it like a tortilla chip. Just scoop a little bit. I don't know why I hold it upside down. I mean, it's easy to grip that way to me. I just need a little bit. And I'm gonna apply this lash. You see how I rest my wrist on the mirror? That's how I keep my hand steady. I also rest my hand on my face. Like for one eye, I rest my hand on the mirror or whatever. The other eye, I rest my hand on my face, my right hand. But anyway, I just rest my wrist on something so that my hand, won't be shaking, so it'll be steady. Let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. As you can see, I put my lashes under my natural lashes. I know a lot of people who put them on top, but I just prefer the bob. Another thing I like to do is stretch my eye, open as far as it can go. You see how I just widened my eye? And then I put the lashes on. I just put them anywhere, like all the way going across, and then I go back and fill them in, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just placing them on there, and then I go back and fill them in. Okay, so you see how I'm putting my wrist, or the palm of my hand, I guess you could say, on my face. Like I said, it's just to keep my hands from, moving. Just keep my hands steady. And so that technique works a lot, just resting your hand. Even when doing makeup, your eyebrows or anything, just resting your hand on your face or either on like a mirror or a surface so your hand can be still, that it works. so now I'm showing y'all how it look with them just spaced out. You see the little spaces? I'm gonna go back and fill in the spaces, but that's how it should look, you know. Yeah, so like I said, right now I'm going just back in, filling in the little spaces that I see. I mean, both eyes, one eye should usually take me about 10 to 15 minutes. So total, both eyes should take you about 30 minutes if you want them full. But I have had times where I didn't go back and fill them in. I just, you know, had them spaced out, and those when I wear the medium lashes. And a lot of people don't even be knowing that I have on fake lashes. So I mean, I fill them in when I want them to look full. But if you just want to go for like a natural look and just add a couple of individuals to extend your natural lashes, you can just do them like spaced out. Okay, so this is how my left eye looks, completely done. Filled in and all. I like them longer towards the end, and sometimes I stop them like towards the front just so it can be like a natural effect, but I went all the way across this time. Okay, so now I'm on to my right eye, and I switch up how I put them on, like how the tweezers are. When I'm doing my left eye, I just pick the lashes up and, you know, put them on without having to rotate my hand. But when I do my right eye, you see how I have to turn the tweezers? That's just what I guess so I can see. I don't know why I do that, but that's most comfortable for me. And I'm also resting my wrist or my palm of my hand on the mirror. So like I said, just be steady, take your time, and just take your time. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you guys once again how I put the glue on my lash. I hold it upside down and scoop downwards to get the glue on my lash, just a little dot drip. And then I put the lash under my natural lash, close to my, not all the way on my lash eye strip, whatever it's called, but you know, right under your natural eye lid, natural lash. Right under your natural lash. But like I said, I have seen people do it on top, but I mean, you just have to find what works for you. And honestly, I don't even know how to put on strips. I'm so used to putting on individuals, you know, working with the bottom part of my lash, learning how to be steady putting lashes on at the bottom, that when I do put on strips, I end up cutting them maybe 2 or 3 times and putting them on like an individual, you know, putting them on the bottom. So, I mean, you just have to find what works for you. And if you guys are interested, I will do a tutorial on how I do my strips lashes on the bottom, because they last a whole lot better. So, Kiara taught me that little trick, and I have not stopped doing it, because I never wear strip lashes because I just don't know how, you know, to put them on. But once she taught me that technique, and I was already, like, doing individuals and comfortable with myself doing individuals, that worked out a lot better for me. Right eye. These are the ones I just placed anywhere, so I'm gonna go back and fill them in, add a couple more. And right here I'm just showing y'all, like, to bond the glue or the lash with my natural lash, I either squeeze them with the tweezer or squeeze them with my my hands. But you gotta be careful doing this, because the glue will stick more. Well, it do it to me. It stick to my hand, and then like maybe 2 or 3 lashes come off in a row, and I'm just trying to bond them. But yeah, so I guess I'm not gonna fill them in. I just showed you guys the remainder of my lashes that I have, and I just wiped the lash glue off and put that clear top back on my lashes and, you know, put them up. But yeah, I don't know what I was doing right here, but yeah, that concludes this video. I guess I answered some pictures. But yeah, guys, doing your own individuals at home, it can all be so simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you guys be aware of when I post another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.